Welcome to Wellness and Mindfulness Digest 2026-07-23. Today's 4 stories. Story 1, Weniger Stress, mehr, Energie, Warum Yoga and Meditation, deinen, Körper, verjüngen. Story 2, Lessons learned from virtual arts-based resilience workshops for military healthcare providers, a community case study. Story 3, What is a cortisol detox? What the research actually shows. Story 4, Nervous system reboot, in-person SOMA breath mini retreat. Story 1, Weniger Stress, mehr, Energie, Warum Yoga and Meditation, deinen, Körper, verjüngen. This event, the Nervous System Reboot, in-person SOMA breath mini retreat, is organized by Alison Braun of Earthdrex and takes place on July 23, 2024 in Rockcliffe Park, Ottawa. It's a response to the modern world where most people live in a constant state of low-level activation, with busy minds and tired bodies. The retreat combines SOMA breath, gentle movement, and grounding practices to help participants reset their nervous system. Key findings include the use of wireless headsets for immersive sound, the potential for benefits like calm and physical release, and the fact that it's due to high demand with a wait list. Implications for society are significant, as it promotes accessible stress relief methods and could lead to more events focused on mental wellness. Overall, this event highlights a growing need for simple, practical ways to manage stress in daily life. Story 2, Lessons learned from virtual arts-based resilience workshops for military healthcare providers, a community case study. This study examines how music-based virtual workshops helped military healthcare providers cope during the pandemic. Researchers analyzed chat messages from weekly sessions and found that nearly half of participants used music to express appreciation, while 58% reported feeling more positive during sessions. These creative interventions fostered gratitude, nostalgia, and social connection, all critical elements for resilience. The program demonstrated consistent engagement over 2 years, showing how accessible artistic activities can support mental health in high-stress environments. This case provides valuable insights for designing similar interventions in other high-pressure occupations. Story 3, What is a cortisol detox? What the research actually shows. This article tackles the misleading concept of cortisol detox, explaining why it's scientifically incorrect. Cortisol is actually a vital hormone your body needs, not something to flush out. The trend started with wellness influencers misattributing common stress symptoms like bloating and fatigue to high cortisol, selling supplements as fixes. But there's no evidence behind these claims. One expert directly debunked treating post-exercise exhaustion as adrenal fatigue, a condition not recognized by medicine. This misinformation is widespread, affecting people with chronic conditions most severely. Understanding the real science about stress hormones helps us better evaluate health trends. Story 4, Nervous System Reboot, in-person SOMA breath mini retreat. This retreat focuses on conscious breathwork and meditation to support nervous system regulation, emotional release, and overall well-being.